How to log in to Credit Karma. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the Credit Karma website. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button and click on it. Next, enter the email address associated with your Credit Karma account in the email field. After that, carefully type your secure password in the password field. Then click the login button to access your Credit Karma dashboard. If you forget your password, simply click on the Try Another Way link. From there, enter your email, select the Forget Password option, and follow the prompts to reset it through your registered email. Once logged in, you can check your credit scores, credit reports, and get personalized financial advice directly from your PC. Now you know how to log into Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.